Hey friends, welcome back. Today we will show you how to fix the most common problem that Windows users suffer from, the automatic repair loop. In this video you will see how to do it step by step and bring your computer back to life.
Have you ever seen a blue screen of death on your Windows computer? It may appear because of a few different reasons: sudden power loss or power outage, Windows registry, boot file corruption, missing or damaged file system. But there is a solution to it. You don't need to be a hacker to fix it, but always, if you're not sure, better bring it to the professional to fix it. This video is just a guide. This computer started showing the blue screen after a power cut. There were loads of data on the hard drive as well, so it needed to be backed up. At first, we need to remove the hard drive and transfer it to our hub and back it up into the Mac. Then mount it back to the PC. Secondly, plug the USB with a bootable Windows 10 version and run the computer from the USB. Different computers have different key to change the bootable drive, so refer to Computer Manual or Google for instructions. Now we are able to format the old hard drive and proceed with the installation of the new software. After a few minutes,
20 minutes later,
we've got a brand new system installed to our computer. Now what is left is to transfer all the backed up documents to the computer.
And that's it. These are the steps to fix the automatic boot loop repair issue. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, place them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.